Hey guys, me Tesla Blaine, I'm back again, and today I've wanted to add a little bit more ambient lighting inside my car, especially down along the center console there. So I haven't done that yet, and my friends from Yeslac, I believe that's how you say their name. Anyways, they sent me this really cool kit, and it's right here. They call it the Magic Color Ambient Light Romantic Atmosphere Luxury Fashion right here. This is everything you need. I got the 2026 Tesla Model Y, the Juniper edition. And well, anyways, let me go ahead and get it started in this. We're going to show you about this and then get into the install. Instantly elevate the interior level of the car, making it more atmospheric. All right, so anyways, as you can see here, is adding some more lights around, different things like there, this soft light, saving this LED and all that. What else does it say back here? Different color perception, multiple colors, creating atmosphere, enhancing the level of your car interior. I believe that this is going to use, you're going to have to download an app called Magic Lantern, and in a minute there is a barcode that they give you that you just scan that, download the app, and then that way you can change the colors on it. You can do all kinds of different things. You can make it sync with your music, all kinds of different things. So anyways, well, let me go ahead and open this up and show you what's in it. So first thing is this little piece right here. Really what it does, they don't really explain it that well, but what I know about this is that this piece right here, we're going to plug into everything, and what it does is, and here's a sticker right here if you want to stick it onto something, what it does is it tells the lights to make sure that they turn off after you've exited the car, because you don't want the lights staying on all the time. So this right here should help it, it will make the lights turn off probably within like a minute or so after you leave your vehicle. It'll turn everything off right there. I'm not sure if this goes by vibrations or what it does. If anybody knows, let me know down in the comment. But anyways, that's this right here. They also give you, because you're going to be you got to plug this into a USB port, okay? So they suggest that you plug it into your glove box. Well, your glove box only comes with the one USB port, right? So anyways, what they do, they give you this pretty cool little, looks like a Cybertruck looking USB hub. So let me get this thing out. So here's the one port right here, the USB type A, that you already have in your glove box. So if you take out your Sentry mode, you can plug this guy in there right there and it'll sit flush in there, and then you get all these. Now the blue one here, that's one that I believe you're going to want to put your Sentry mode USB back into. That way, your flash drive, that way you can record safely. But then now it gives you two more USBs and a USB-C port right there. So we're going to need one of these ports here, and we're going to have to plug it in. So you can use this right here and plug in. I already have another USB hub in my car, so technically I'm not going to use this one right here, but this one would work perfect. Okay, next thing I got is I got the centerpiece light right here. You got the plug right here. So you got 1, you got 2, 3, and 4. So I got 4 different lights right here. These two look to be identical. This third one here, it's also identical. So all 3 of these are pretty much the same size and everything. They have the same length of cord, except for this one right here, this small one. This is the one that we're going to put just above my charging dock station right there, and just give me a little bit more light on that. I really like the way they built these lights. Back when I first had my 2020 model and I had ambient lights, they would send the light down a tube via reflection. And if that reflection or the power of the light got dimmer over time, you didn't see the light as bright. It went away. So I really didn't like it. But these ones here, these LED strips, they're nice. They're bright. You can adjust the brightness and everything within the app. But I really like the way these ones are designed. And right there's your light, and you're just going to slide this in and push it in wherever you need to do it. Or some of them, you might even put some tape on there if you're going to tape it up underneath something on your dashboard. I'm not exactly sure where I'm going to put all mine. I might not use all 4 pieces because I already got ambient light on a different type of dashboard that I have. But anyways, we're going to take a look at it. We also got some more stuff here. Like I said, they give me some tape right here in case I was going to tape any of them up. I like this little tool. This tool here is going to be good to be able to put in between two pieces of material or your center console and help push in the light down through there right there. Lastly, we got our main wire connection here. This is the USB part right here, where what you're going to do with this is going to be like a daisy chain. You're going to take this, plug this into here, and then this will go into your car, into the port, your hub, wherever you want to do it. So it's going to go just like this, and then here's all your lights right here, and you can see we got 3 of them that you got the longer cord on, and then one here that's even really long. So like I said, depends on where you're going to go. You're going to take these pieces right here, these connection points, and they're simply just going to connect like this. The red goes into the white, just like that right there. Make sure it clicks, and then you'll have that right there. So anyways, so now I'm going to go out there and start figuring out where I want to install this. You have some options. I'm going to show you where I want to install my stuff, and then we're going to take a look at it tonight when it gets a little bit darker out and we can actually enjoy the lights. Let's get started. So to show you how I'm going to do mine, this is that top piece right here. I just kind of push it up in there a little bit just to see where it's going to go. Wire comes down, it's going to go right here. This one I'm going to put right through there, and it'll go straight up like that, and there's the cable for that one. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. That one, the plug's going to be over here on the right. So what I'm going to have to do is, with the longer cord that they give you on the set here, I'm going to take the longer one and I'm going to route it over here, right up through here, get it to tuck up under here, and that way I can plug the wire in here and then hide the wire up in there somewhere. So this one's going to go here, this one's going to go right here, that one's here. I do have a 4th one, and to be honest with you, because I already have this BSD lighting strip going all the way across on my car right here, that is where you could put it. And if you were to put it here, all you got to do is take up your dash cover right here, take out the first little metal spring, and route the wire down through there, have it come out over here, and then you can plug it in right there. Okay, so when you come out here, you'll plug it into your glove box right here, and that's where everything's going to go. But so let me go ahead and start routing everything, and then when I get done, I'll show you what I did, and then we'll also look at it tonight and see how it looks. So I pretty much got installed. I just wanted to show you how I routed the wires, and like I said, I routed the one extra wire over there to the other side, just like this one right here, and I got all the cables here. And what I did is I ended up popping one up through here, okay, and then just this one here that comes to this little piece right here, I got that stuck on there, and then that goes into the hub, which would be this hub right here, just like that, and you would plug it in to the USB port right there. Okay, and this way here, I don't have a whole lot of wires except for just the one wire I have going there, and see, I can close my box. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all these wires right here, and I'm going to push them up inside this little compartment right here, which I can bring down a little bit more. Ugh. There we go. Well, I don't want to bring it down too much, but anyways, I'm going to put my wires up in there. So I'm going to take all of this, including the one that I'm not using right there, because I'm not going to use this light right now. If things change, I might end up putting it up on top, but for now, that's what I'm going to do. So got it installed, and let's take a look at it here tonight, and then we'll talk about it at the end. And I just wanted to bring up one thing. Remember I said you had to download the app? So if you download the app, Magic Lantern, you can change the colors to whatever you want them to be just by the app right here. You can see I'm going through them, different colors. I like the blue. There's a preset one. There's that green. You got all kinds of different ones. You can do different styles down here. Autoplay, stuff like that. Flash open. Music, you can have it sync. Yeah, whatever. Do all that. It'll sync with the music, whatever we're playing. There you go. So, see, it's kind of strobing. It's playing a Christmas song or something right now. But you can also, it can listen to your mic through your mic right here, and you can see going up and down. Now it's changing according to me talking like this, acting like I'm a robot here. So anyways, that's pretty cool. It can go with the music in your car. You just leave it on that right there. You can put it on a schedule, all this. But because we put that one little device in there, it should turn off within a minute or so after I get out. So I'm just going to put it back on the blue because I really like the blue look. You can see I got the blue lights on my door handles over there. I got the ambient light going around the top, all that, and I got the blue light up on my sunshade. So I'm going to keep it with the blue right here, but I think it looks pretty good. We're just have to take a look at it tonight. All right, take a look at these lights. I think they look great all the way through there, including one over there going up along my seat. And they really look good, like they match the rest of the lights throughout my car. Look at that. But there you go, guys. These lights from Yeslac, they are pretty cool. They're very bright, easy to install. You can kind of push them up into grooves if that's all you want, or you can add on some of that tape, that double-sided tape that it comes with, and help hold them in place a little bit more. Remember, I didn't use my 4th strip across the top because I got a different type of dashboard than the stock one, and if I had the stock one, then I could have put that strip across there, but it's not a big deal. Plus I have another type of light going across there, so it's fine. But so I'm only using the 3, one above the charging dock and the 2 going down along the side of my center console. It really adds to the atmosphere that I'm looking for inside my car. I want it to look like a spaceship. You know, I want it to feel like a spaceship with all these cool lights and everything. You know, it's pretty cool. So, and remember, you download the app. I think it's Magic Lantern or something. On that little white USB thing on the back of it is a QR code. You just scan that with your phone. It'll take you straight there on the Play Store or whatever. You download it. Follow the instructions, it'll find it. It uses Bluetooth or whatever, you add it to it and then it'll work. Okay, it's pretty easy to figure out. But anyways, I like the way I've got all my stuff hidden, all my wires, and I got just the one wire going into the glove box, so it's still not taking up a lot of space in there and all that. It comes with the hub. I really like it, guys. So if this is something you're interested in the description of my video, you'll find the link straight to it. You'll get a discount. Make sure you use my discount code TeslaB. And guys, it's pretty good. Okay, so do me a favor, give me a like on this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. I got lots of different things. If you saw some of the other things in the video that you might be like, maybe I'm interested in, go check out my other videos, all right? Anyways, guys, I appreciate you. Be safe out there, have fun, and keep driving. Peace.